This is the John Deere Z445 zero turn, 2010 model. Last time I had it out running through the yard, started smelling burning plastic. Stopped it and got underneath, and lo and behold, the drive belt busted, shredded. Just a little tidbit: when you can't drive it anymore, the way you disengage it is a little lever. You just turn that a full turn counterclockwise. One on each side. Right down in there, you can see it right there. Turn it counterclockwise one turn and both sides. You can drag it wherever you want. You can see the shredded belt right there hanging down. I'd already pulled it loose. It rides. That pulley right there, and then this one right here, you can kind of see is a plastic idler, and that was what I smelled burning. We're gonna have to take that apart to get that idler out, and then there's one wire that comes down right here. We got to disconnect that up by the engine, and then that way the belt can come off, and we'll do that in just a second. So this is the other end of the wire right there, the little red and black wire. I'll pull that apart, feed it back down through the bottom. It goes through that little hole to the left right there. Alright, we got that wire loose, and we'll just pull that right out like so. And then I can get that belt off around it. Now, let's see. I can go up there out of the way. And now, belt's shredded so bad we ought to be able to get it right out of the pulley without taking it apart. Yep, the easiest thing would have been to take the pulley apart, but we'll have to do that when we replace it. It's so shredded now, it ought to just come right out. There's not that much belt left. There we go. That should come across the top. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to take that off too. I'll take that drive belt, mower belt, to get it out of the way. That hurt. Well, as you can see, not much left of the belt. It pretty much tore it up. And that's what a new one looks like. This is from Amazon, picked it up, 810, original equipment V-belt. Okay, finally got the new pulley. That's part number right there. So this bolt right here comes off, the pulley is right in there. That's a number 15 socket. Already broke that loose. And this cover comes right off. Just like that. Alright, I had to go back and get another wrench for the top bolt. Top of the bolt. Just run this off. slide this over this way. Well, as you can see, the old one ate up pretty bad when that belt came apart. And the new one. Just pop that right in, it should be good to go. Okay, new belt is on right there. Runs around that pulley back there and into the one we just replaced. Bracket and all, it's back on. That bracket holds the spring. Goes over there to the side. So now we just gotta hook up this last wire back to the top. That goes around the outside of the belt, right through this hole. We get all that hooked back up, we'll put the drive belt for the mower back on, and we should be cutting grass. See what we got.